but I also remembered Ivan. Thank you. Ivan remembered that I asked him to remind me about the sign of the tree. And to be honest with you, I was going to actually do a little sketch of the sign of the tree, and then show you the physical gesture that it means in the book when it says so-and-so made the sign of the tree on his breast or in the air or whatever. But I didn't have a decent felt pen, and anything I would have used would have been really hard to see on the camera. So I will just tell you that the sign of the tree looks more or less like a trident, but without sharp points. In other words, it's kind of a U shape and with a longer stem going down the middle, but all three of the points are just the ends of lines. They are not sharp points like a trident. And let me see if I can show you. The thing itself goes like this. It's a two-part gesture. You make the true branches. Oops, sorry, it's hard to do this backwards. You make the two branches of the tree with your fingers, like this or like this, and then you draw. Yeah, it's really hard to do this backwards. And then you draw the hands through it. So it goes like this, bump, bump. Okay, so you're making that basically trident sign, which is supposed to look like the holy tree on which Osiris the Adon was martyred, according to the Adonite religion. So either one or two fingers to make the, it's hard to do, again, backwards. One or two fingers to make the two branches, and that's this, like I said, hard to show you, but that's that part. And then two fingers or, yeah, two fingers straight down. So bump, bump. Okay. So now that has been explained. I should have practiced first. I keep forgetting that this thing is flip-flopped around like the opposite of a mirror. So that that part of the room over there in real life is actually over there, sort of. It's hard to explain. Anyway, but it's not a mirror. If it was a mirror, that closet there would be on this side, if that makes sense. I think. No, wait. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. This is exactly why you don't want to get involved in this kind of nonsense, because you can fool yourself and confuse everybody. That definitely, though, is how the sign of the tree is made. Ignore everything else. Ignore the backward, forward, sideways, left, right thing. Sign of the tree, gesture for the branches, gesture for the stem or the trunk. And that includes, that also makes the middle branch. So there's three branches and a trunk. Anyway, all right, so now I'm going to go, now that I have fulfilled that